Hello, mathematicians! Today we're learning how to measure length using two tools, a ruler and a tape measure. Let's start with the ruler. A ruler is used to measure shorter objects, like pencils, books, and notebooks. Mathematicians, this is very important. Always start measuring at 0, not at 1. These small lines show centimeters, and some rulers also show half centimeters. The number at the end of the object tells us the length. Now, let's look at a tape measure. Tape measures are used for longer objects, like tables, doors, or classroom walls. Just like before, we line it up straight, start at 0, and then read the number at the end. If one desk is 120 centimeters and another is 100 centimeters, which is longer? Let's recap. 1. Ruler short lengths. 2. Tape measure long lengths. 3. Start at 0. 4. Read the markings carefully. Great measuring today, mathematicians! If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more maths fun.